How to change your phone number on Indeed. Visit the Indeed website and log in using your current phone number and password. Once logged in, locate your name or profile picture at the top right corner of the screen and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Then select Account to access your account settings page. Look for the section labeled Phone Number or Contact Information within your account settings page. This is where you can update your phone number. Find the field containing your current phone number and click on it to make changes. Enter your new phone number in the provided space. After entering your new phone number, you may be prompted to verify it through a verification code sent to your new phone number via SMS. Once you've entered and verified your new phone number, scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for the Save button and click on it to save your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your phone number has been successfully updated. After updating your phone number, review your account information to ensure that the changes have been actually reflected. And by following these steps, you can easily change your phone number on Indeed and ensure that your contact you can easily change your phone number on Indeed and ensure that your contact information is up to date. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.